Okay, please open your visiting card. Yes. Yes. Please open. All of you, open it. Open. Wow, very beautiful. Farah. You? Ah, it's beautiful. Yes, you are very creative with the candies. Okay, Yasmin, thank you. Okay, Farah and Mutia, thank you. Lily. Okay, give to me, please. Where did you buy the candies?
My mom buy in the market.
Whose idea is it? Whose idea? Is it your mom idea?
No.
No. Oh, your mom. Okay, Mutia. Does your mom help you? Your mom help you to make this greeting card? Ah, yes. Your mom help you. Oh, I see. Farah?
No.
Okay. Thank you, Farah. Will you open this one? Okay. Help me to read it. I am having. I am having. Please read.
I am having a birthday party and I love for you be there. I happy part and food and music.
Thank you, Farah. Thank you, all of you. Put it here.